Hello ladies and gentlemen, how are you? I'm a Khmer of Phnom Penh, Cambodia. This time I went to Marech Adventure, a resort in Kampot province, by taking the National Road 3 south from Phnom Penh. It was a resort where I could enjoy the wonderful scenery. As you can see, there are resorts around the reservoir, and I could have a lunch in a thatched hut floating on the water. There was also a boat to cruise the reservoir, and I could feel the cool breeze on the water. The wind blowing down from the mountains was very comfortable. I had a really great time. However, I would like to take this opportunity to make a little my opinion. The resort itself was well managed and maintained, but I saw white smoke rising from the several places in the mountains on the way. This is because careless tourists throw plastic bags and a bottle from their cars, and they spread over the mountains and caught the fire naturally. It is good to enjoy nature at the resort, but we should avoid actions that destroy nature and emit carbon dioxide. The world is now trying to halve its carbon dioxide emission by year 2030. Cambodia also aims to reduce its emission by 42%. Let's protect this wonderful nature of Cambodia with everyone's cooperation. Anyway, thank you very much for your watching this video, and I do hope you like it. Thank you very much.